Hey guys, welcome back to KB Cards. Today we have a different kind of unboxing video. We don't have cards, we have fireworks. We got some smaller stuff in this bag right here, and then we have a big box right there with a lot of variety and some really big fireworks. Make sure if you guys are doing fireworks to follow all your local laws. We don't want anyone getting in trouble. We live in Minnesota, so off the ground fireworks are legal. You can't shoot them into the air, however. Some states can't even shoot them off the ground. Some states you can just do whatever. So if you are going to do fireworks like this, make sure to check with your local authorities to make sure it's all safe. So now we're just going to show you what we got. The first thing we have some small showers. We got like 9 or something here. So this wasn't that expensive or anything, but those are pretty fun. We got these, when you put them on the ground and you light the fuse, they like spin and pop and stuff. So they're kind of just like the noise makers, except you can see them and like they spin around. And then we got some tanks that you can shoot at each other. You light the fuse and then they shoot at each other, so those are pretty fun. You can have little wars with those. And then we got some smoke bombs that you just light them off and then they smoke all over. And then we have the fiery frog. So you just light him here and then his eyes and mouth will light up and he'll shoot stuff out. He's got like 3 different fuses. So yeah, those are all the small things we got. We'll set those down on the floor for now. And then we have this really big box. This is the biggest box we've ever gotten in a long time, maybe ever. So we got 6 big ones and about 20 other ones, so here we go. Okay, so we'll start taking out the big ones. So here's the first big one. So this is the size of my hand compared to it, so it's a pretty big box right here. That's gonna shoot up a lot of stuff. Just one fuse right here. There's probably a bunch of little fireworks all in here that will shoot off in time, so that's pretty cool. Got 6 more of those, lots of those big ones. Aces full. Got gem shower. Oh, wow. The diamond shower. And the last big one is the pyrotastic. So 6 big ones. So if you need a firework for the finale, one of those would be your pick. And then now we got a bunch of other ones, so let's see what we got. The smaller ones. So these are the tall ones. These ones can be pretty fun. They can shoot them a little higher just because they got a bit longer, so they can shoot some higher stuff, which is fun. So this is called Shark Assortment. One there. Got the Super Bee. And glittery sparks. Energy boost. Mad Dog fountain. Brain freeze. Rain of color. We got the Dominate. This one's pretty big. That's probably going to be a pretty fun one. We got the Winner's Circle. It's another pretty big one. Got a smaller one here, but it's more dense than the other one, called Crickets. Sometimes the more dense ones can be kind of fun because they got a lot of different stuff in them. And then we have Divas, the Standout, which it really feels like 3 separate, like they have a small one and then 2 big ones, so that's probably going to be a pretty fun one. This one's pretty big, the Front Row. Nice and big and tall. Then we got the Stegosaurus. It's big, length and width-wise. We got Color Barrage, Lemon Lime, Solar Glare. We got Pyroglastic, Global Lights. We got Enigma, the Starburst Fountain, Silver Snow Fountain. We got the Federal, it's a pretty tall one. And we have Battle of the Ball, which I think has quite a few different fuses in it because of how long it is. So that is all of it. That's a lot of fireworks there. We're going to have some fun shows later this summer, so maybe we'll film a few of those and post them to the channel as well. We hope you enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel so that way I can beat Magic Master in our sub war. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it. Thanks, and we'll see you next time on KB Cards.